Being a registered learner with CMI provides you with access to the resources you need through ManagementDirect. You have quick access to everything you need to support your apprenticeship. To view the standards, select Apprentice Support. Each standard is colour-coded to organisational performance, interpersonal excellence, personal effectiveness, and behaviours. Select the standard you are working on. This will display an outline providing you with a brief statement with keywords mapped to the standard for you to access resources to support your learning and develop your knowledge in this area. How much time do you have? 5 minutes, 20 minutes, or longer? For example, 5 minutes to watch a video or access a model, or 20 minutes to read an article, or longer to study recent management and leadership research. For further information on ManagementDirect, visit www.managers.org.uk/MD guide.